Once you have your clips on the timeline, you may find that you need to move those clips around or rearrange them. And there are numerous ways to do this. One of the easiest ways is simply to just click on them and drag them in the timeline. You can see that I can move shot 1 and shot 2. I now have spaces in between them. If I wanted to remove these spaces, I just right-click in the space, click remove. In some cases, let's say I wanted to take this shot 2 and move it to before shot 1. I could just move my playhead to, let's see here, there we go, move it to the beginning. In this case, I'm going to take shot 2. I'm going to select it. I'm going to come over to these buttons. You'll see I have a cut, a copy, and a paste. I'm going to select the cut button, so it removes shot 2. I have my playhead at the beginning here. And then I'm just going to click the paste button, and it actually inserts it right at the beginning there. Now note, it only changed the order of the shots on the video track. It left the audio alone. If I wanted this Night Walk, this MP3 file, to actually stay with shot 1 when I did the insert, so I'm going to go ahead and undo my insert here. If I wanted the audio and this shot 1 to remain aligned, what I want to make sure is I want to make sure that this button that says Ripple Edits across all tracks is selected. So I do that. I move this back to the beginning. And now when I click that paste button, you'll notice that the audio remained in line with shot 1. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that. I'm going to unclick this. And let's see if we can. So now I have my shot 1 and my shot 2 back to where they were. Other things to be aware of. You'll notice right next to the Ripple Edits across all tracks button, you see another one that's called Ripple Trim and Drop. And this changes, again, the behavior when you're moving clips around. So if I open a 4th shot here, or 3rd shot, if I just click on this and I drag it down to the timeline, you'll see it says overwrite. And basically what it does is it takes shot 4 and it overwrote that second part of shot 2. But if I go ahead and undo that, and this time I click this Ripple Trim and Drop button, then when I open shot 4 and I drag it down, you'll see instead of overwrite, it says insert. And in this case, it just inserted shot 4 actually in between shot 2. So it didn't delete that. It didn't overwrite that second part of shot 2. It just moved that part down. So again, these two buttons that you see, the ripple buttons, the Ripple Trim and Drop and the Ripple Edits across all tracks, they're going to change the way when you're moving clips around on the timeline, it's going to change the way they behave.